Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about shocking facts about the basics of network marketing, a step-by-step tutorial. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax, and get ready to start living the life of your dreams. Enjoy the video. For more information about shocking facts about the basics of network marketing, a step-by-step tutorial, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. Link to my website is in the description box below this video. Shocking facts about the basics of network marketing, a step-by-step tutorial. This video will review some of the most shocking facts about the basics of network marketing, a step-by-step tutorial. The result is one of the fastest ways to build a wealth on the internet that anyone has ever heard of. So, I'm sure you've probably seen the headlines or read about the controversy about some of the claims that have been made recently about network marketing. There's quite a bit of controversy that can be traced back to a number of things, but you may already know about some of them, and others may have limited knowledge of these things. Some of the shocking facts about the basics of network marketing, a step-by-step tutorial, will be of interest to you as you start your journey towards success. One thing that most people don't understand is that network marketing involves, you guessed it, money. The truth is that network marketing really isn't just about money, it's about creating wealth. All the hype surrounding network marketing is all about creating wealth. It doesn't matter how much you lose in the long run, you're making more money than you're spending in the short term because you're gaining in the long run. That's the real secret. So, how do you actually gain in the long run? The answer is to really create wealth for yourself and for your business. Here's a little secret about network marketing that most people don't know: the more you gain, the more value you'll create for others. That's what networking is all about. You earn money from everyone else by doing what they want to do as well. Everyone that you help gain through network marketing can also gain through their network, and so on and so forth. That means that, if you gain from every other person that you help, then you also gain from everyone else. When you really think about it, that's a simple truth about network marketing: you earn more than you spend, and then you earn even more than you spent. The only problem is that most people can't get past the learning process before they lose interest. They start out by winning, paying top dollar to others, but then they lose interest because they're bored. The first step to winning is to realize that the learning process doesn't end with winning. You have to constantly apply your newfound knowledge to your business and gain from it, every single day. This video explains all of the shocking facts about the basics of network marketing, a step-by-step tutorial. I don't think that you'll be disappointed. Network marketing facts: learn how to be successful today. Many network marketers are searching for the best way to learn and understand the business model of network marketing, and also what is the essential knowledge that they need to know in order to be successful. The most important thing to learn is how to choose the right business model for you and your business. You have to understand that the network marketing system that you have chosen for yourself will help you build a reputation and also establish your name in the marketplace. You can either go for the type of MLM or internet network marketing, that is the home-based network marketing where you can earn an income online. You can also go for online network marketing that can help you with your business and career. In order to be successful in network marketing, you have to learn some basic network marketing facts. They are the basic network marketing facts that you need to know. These network marketing facts include how to deal with a client when you are not satisfied with the result that he has provided to you. How to be a successful mentor in your network marketing business. How to be a good salesperson for your clients. A step-by-step tutorial will help you understand how to be a good salesperson and will provide you with the necessary information to become successful in network marketing. Another network marketing fact that you need to learn is the theory of how to find a niche in the marketplace. This marketplace can be of any size and shape that you want it to be. It can be related to different aspects like technology, weight loss, health, etc. You need to have a strategy that will help you sell your products. The network marketing industry is a growing industry, and in order to be successful in network marketing, you have to learn network marketing facts. Thanks for watching my video about shocking facts about the basics of network marketing, a step-by-step tutorial. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.